Okay, this is one of the coolest Nurie Creator features. This is a pro feature. Let's say I'm creating a dog coloring book on different breeds and whatnot. So let's say I go to, I don't know, you can use free chat GPT or whatever free AI tool there is out there and ask it, give me 40 dog breeds, please. Now we're gonna take this, check this out. We're gonna grab this, grab all of it, right? And copy it. And we're gonna just dump it into Nurie Creator like that. Okay. Now all of these different types of dog breeds, it would take a long time if I had to sit here and wait for Nurie Creator to create that. But this is a really cool pro version. All you got to do, if you want to generate the background, it's up to you. Let's not, and just queue the task. Okay. Now this is gonna go off. And this is going to, it says task successfully queued. You may now close the app and you will receive an email with the task is complete. So let's do that. I'm going to come back when my email is sent and I get all 40 different coloring pages. Okay, so I just got an email. It took about an hour. I sat around, watched TV, and I got this email. And check this out. View my images. This is really cool stuff. And I should have 40 different coloring pages for different dog breeds. Here we have Doberman Pinscher, we have Cocker Spaniel, we have Poodle, we have what is this? Bernese Mountain Dog. We got some Akita, and the list goes on and on. We have a Weimaraner, is that right? We got a Collie. We got, I don't know how to pronounce this type of dog. And we can actually go to the different pages. Let's go to the very last page. And yeah, so we get 4 in each. So some of them do not come out perfect, obviously. But, most of them do, okay? So just choose the ones that you want. Okay, we got a Whippet, we got a Rottweiler. Again, amazing work. If I were to do this on a different AI generator image creator, it would take me hours and hours and hours, and I have to sift through each one, and most of them would be garbage. As you can see here, very few of them are bad, most of them are spot on, all of them are high res. I don't have to enhance them anywhere on a separate software. I don't have to get rid of grayscale. All of that is removed for me. Amazing, amazing, amazing work. Okay, so let me know what you think down below, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. Okay, see you inside.